Okay, here's the charger controller I got. It came with a pair of batteries. I got two more. I don't have BMS for them yet, but I've got one for that battery and one for this one as well. And everything's kind of cross-connected. They're all connected in parallel, running out of the box. And these switches will eventually control some buck converters that are going to eliminate the need of a 12-volt battery, which was used in the original design along with the 12 6-volt batteries in the back. And I'm going to replace this with possibly two of those, one for a little radio and stuff and the other one for the lights and headlights and blinker and everything. And I also removed the old battery maintenance, I guess, display that would kind of tell you if you're getting too much sag in a battery or not. I think they're hooked up in pairs clearly so as to show them 12 volts, but yeah, so I replaced that with this little battery capacity voltage meter, which is programmable, and I've got it programmed to go to say the minimum is 40 and the top is 49, but I really only go between about 48 volts and about 45 or so, and I've been able to get 20 miles out of that, or maybe a little less than that, like 16 miles. So it's been doing alright. I got to get a battery heater. I'm going to get either some heat tape and put it on the bottom, or get outdoor bed, pet bed heater, little 18 by 18 pad. It's like 100 watts or something. But yeah, so that's the update. Definitely lost a lot of weight with removing those 12 lead acid batteries. They're big ones too, about 120 pounds a piece. And took off all these old panels. Like I said, 10 to 15 watts. That's what these were pulling. I don't know if you saw that video, but yeah, I tested them and they weren't quite performing quite like I thought they would, so I'm gonna get some new panels and go with more like a tonneau cover type setup. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted.